Most employees won't be blindsided by AI. They'll be warned repeatedly. They just won't recognize the signal. When leadership introduces AI tools, most people think it's just to help us. It won't replace anyone. It's for efficiency. That's the first warning sign. Whenever leadership starts emphasizing efficiency, cost optimization, or productivity leverage, translation, output per employee must increase. That rarely ends with more hiring. If your company begins documenting workflows aggressively, creating playbooks, mapping procedures, that isn't just organization, that's preparation. Standardized processes are easier to automate. If your company launches AI pilot programs, especially in reporting, support, operations, or internal analysis, they are testing replacement viability quietly. When open roles are paused and workloads don't decrease, it means leadership believes the same output can be achieved with fewer people. AI fills the gap. When your company suddenly offers AI training programs, automation workshops, or future readiness sessions, that's not random. It means the shift has already started. They're giving early movers a chance. People ignore warning signs because their paycheck still arrives, their calendar is still full, their performance reviews are still positive. Short term stability hides long term exposure. First, AI assists. Then, AI augments. Then, AI absorbs. By the time you feel threatened, the structure is already redesigned. Layoffs are not the first signal, they're the last. By then, workflows have already shifted, value has already moved. The smartest employees don't panic, they reposition early. If your company is showing these signs, don't ignore them. Adapt before the shift becomes official. Click on the icon to stay valuable. And don't miss the next video in the series.